Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. I haven't played this game in a long time, but I guess we're starting up in the sky. I'm just going to reset my character because I don't know what's happening. Okay, I'll just sit here. This game's done. So how are you guys doing? Type in the comments. Also, did any of you guys see my newest Roblox videos? I posted natural disaster survival video, and then, be careful, okay? And I also posted a, what game was that again that I just posted? Oh, yeah, Speedrun 4. So, I got, no views on those, and I kind of want more views on those because I kind of worked hard on the editing process. Oh, yeah, I made it. So, today we're just playing Don't Press the Button 4. Yeah. Okay, be the first one to grab the shape. Ask for red ball. Lime green cone. Yeah, I found it. Hooray! Whoa, what's happening? A lot of people are finding. Someone click the button. Okay. Avoid falling off. Oh, I see what's gonna happen now. Stay in the middle. Okay, this is unfair. I'm getting, completely pushed. I'm trying to push myself back up, but I can't get up. So if anyone wants to play Don't Press the Button 4, it's a really good, just mini game, chill game. I don't know. Oh, yeah, I won. Woo! Bruh, I won, though. Let's click all these buttons. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. We gotta get the most clicks. Whoa, 119. I only got 92. That's really good. What's the next game? Okay, on your marks. Get set. Go. Of course I got the worst one. Come on. Fifth place? Oh, good. Make sure to like and subscribe. I need more subscribers. I'm only at 150 and we're almost at 200. I want to get to 200 by the end of the school. At the end of the year. I think it's possible. I mean, we've grown so much this summer. Gaining 100 subscribers. To 150 now. Okay, now. Oh, I died. Okay, button presser. This kind of reminds me of a game on Roblox called Epic Mini Games. I haven't played this in forever. Are these new? I guess there's new mini games. I don't know how to aim. Okay, I died because I didn't know how to aim. This game is just a nice chill game where you can just, let's say you're in the car or something and you're just, or on a plane or something and you're just what do you do? Or anywhere you're just waiting forever. Just play this game and chill out and relax. I'm rooting for Super Baby Mira. See, let's see. Oh, she. No, okay, congratulations, Ava Sonic. Yeah, it was the button presser. Okay, just got yeeted off. Watch out for the mummy. Bruh, I'm not in it. Why? and collect the Easter eggs. Okay, that's not gonna be good. Maybe because her name started with an A. Aliens! No, I'm getting attacked by aliens. No, not again. Avoid the boulders. What? How did that happen? Come on, get boulders. Okay, next T-Tsunami. What? Oh, I think I know we have to get out of the ground. Okay, let's go all the way up. And then I think there's another staircase or like a ladder we can go. Ooh. Why am I eating my pizza? Oh, I died. That's fine. Oh, I didn't know what that was. Survive the fire rings. I'm kind of confused. Oh, I see now. Because I can go anyway. Ah! I'm almost dead. No, I died. Okay, what is happening? Bro, what? I'm not doing well at this point. Hi, Sharky Boy Ben. Hi, Man1. Avoid the cube. Get to the finish line. Oh, gosh. Oh, it's like Speedrun 4 from last Speedrun 4. Let's go. I think we might get to the finish line. Remember last time I like jinxed myself so many times? Yeah, I got here. Come on. Get to the rock, reach the mountaintop. Avoid getting to the frozen end. I'm confused. Again. Okay, we gotta get to the end. Oh god, we died. Okay. Come on. Please. What if I just did this? Flew over. It kind of reminds me of red light, green light from Squid Game. I don't know why. Yep, I should have done that. I would not have made that. Yes! Let's go! Wow! end it off here, guys. I hope you have an amazing day or night. Peace out.